everyone, we're here in Frankfort, Michigan, and we're about to go fly the Lighthouse here, so hopefully I don't crash and lose my drone. Oh. Can't feel my fingers. So we just did flight 1 and my hands are completely frozen, so we're taking a break. So we got everything sprawled out in here, and yeah, everything went good. I didn't go too far out just in case something went wrong first flight, and I got my GoPro 10 on, so I only have one of those. So yeah, we're just gonna check to make sure that the GoPro settings were good and let myself warm up and go for it again. All right, so I'm recovered and we're about to go back in for round 2. I think I'm gonna try to make it all the way to Lighthouse this time, so yeah. I need to add comedy to my personality.
On the comedy.
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just narrating. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Part
Battery
2.
up. Just finished the flight. Everything went good. So hopefully that looked cool on camera. We'll see. So we survived an out and back. We made it to the Lighthouse, flew back, did it kind of twice actually. I went up the concrete walkway and I just flew over the water. So did a couple loops and went over the ice pancakes, got what I wanted to, and so I have 2 more batteries. Now we're just gonna figure out where to go from here. Scouting the sunset location right now. This is probably where I'm gonna go if we can get out here in time, but it's pretty much just a cliff, a little bluff that overlooks Lake Michigan. So I think it'd be pretty cool to fly from here if we can, but look at that. It's nice. There's the lighthouse, way over there. We were just there. Yeah, so maybe I'll just save the other 2 batteries until after we get some dinner at Crystal Mountain, and then come back to here for sunset, so I can work on editing and whatnot for the rest of the day until then. But gotta get back home. Time to fly. Still see? That is it. I think people are gonna like this one. Heavier than I was expecting, that's why I did that. I almost forgot that I didn't have my strap on. I was about to just set it down. Hey, I think that's pretty good. Hey guys, so it looks like I forgot to record an outro for that video, and I was just gonna finish the video off by saying make sure to like and subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and hopefully I'll keep making some videos for you, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. But anyways, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys.